Now we are starting the chapter number 5th, arithmetic progression. The exercise 5.1 first question is, in which of the following situation does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression AP in short form and Y? First question is, the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupee 15 for the first kilometer and rupee 8 for each additional kilometer. Second question, the amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Then third question, the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging when it costs rupee 150 for the first meter and rises by rupee 50 for each subsequent meter. And the fourth question is, the amount of money in the account every year when rupee 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. Now the now the solution of the question 1, part 1, the taxi fare for first kilometer. The taxi fare for first kilometer, that is equal to 15 rupees. Then after 1 kilometer, fare for each kilometer, fare for each kilometer, that is 8 rupees. So the next fare in kilometer, next fare for kilometer becomes 15 plus 8, 23 kilometer, 23 rupees. And the next fare for next kilometer aggregate becomes 23 plus 8 is equal to 31 rupees. So in this case, first term is, first the taxi fare for first kilometer is 15, that is denoted by A, first term, that is 15. Then second term, this 8, that is 23. So A2 is equal to 23. Then A3 is equal to 31. So from this we can find the common difference between the terms. Common difference between the first and second term, that is D1, comes out to be A2 minus A1, that comes out to be 23 minus 15, that comes out to be 8. Then D2, A3 minus A2, 31 minus 23, that comes also 8. So this common difference which comes out to be equal in each case, so this makes AP for. So this is the answer of the first part of the question. Then second part of the question, let the amount of air present, amount of air present in the cylinder that is equal to X units cube. When vacuum pump removed air in the cylinder at first time, is equal to 1/4 of volume of air. So it will become 1/4 multiplied by x, that is x by 4 unit cube. So now air remains, that comes out to be x minus x by 4 removed, that comes out to be 4 multiplied by x, 4x minus x divided by 4, it comes out to be 3x by 4 unit cube. Then at second time, when vacuum pump remains, when vacuum pump removes air in the cylinder is equal to x by 4 unit volume. So it will becomes out to 1 by 4 cross 3x by 4 remaining, it will comes out to be 3x by 16 unit cube. So air remains 3x by 4, this minus this 3x by 16. Here LCM least common multiple comes out to be 16. So 3 multiplied by 4, 12x minus 3x, it comes out to be 9x by 16. So from this first term A1 comes out to be x, which is volume of air present at starting. Then A2 comes out to be volume of air after removing first part of the air, that comes out to be 3x by 4. Then A3 that comes out to be second time, that comes out to be 9x by 16. So from this we will calculate the common difference, that is D1 is equal to A2 minus A1, that comes out to be 3x by 4 minus x, it comes out to be 3x minus 4x, 4 multiplied by x minus 4x divided by 4, it comes out to be minus x by 4. Then common difference D2, that is the A3 minus A2, that is 9x by 16 minus 3x by 4. So least common multiple LCM 16, it comes out to be 9x minus 12x, 3 4 ja 12x, that comes out to be minus 3x by 16. So from this we came to know that common difference D1 D2 is not equal, there is difference, so it is not AP because common difference of terms not equal. So this is the answer of the second part of the question. Third part of the question, the cost of 1 meter digging the well, the cost of 1 meter digging the well, that is equal to 150 rupees. Then after first meter, for each subsequent meter, the cost of digging is 50 rupees. So in this, A1 comes out to be 150, A2 comes out to be 150 plus 50, 200. Then A3 comes out to be 200 plus 50, that is 250, and so on. So common difference in this case, D1 comes out to be A2 minus A1, 200 minus 150, that is 50. Then common difference of next term is A3 minus A2, third term and the second term, that comes out to 250 minus 200, that is also 50. So common difference comes out to be the same in both. So it is this series in AP, mean a arithmetic progression. So this is the answer of the third part of the question. Now the fourth part of the question is, we have to calculate the compound interests. That is, principal amount is given, that is 10,000 rupees. Rate of interest is 8% per annum. So amount for first year, for first year, that is P principal cross 1 plus rate of interest divided by 100 the power n, n mean time. So in this case, A1 comes out to be 10,000 multiplied by 1 plus 8 divided by 100 the power 1 for first year. So it comes out to be 10,000 cross 108, 100 plus 8, 108 divided by 100. So these two zeros cancelled with this, so 108 multiplied by 100, it comes out to be 10,800. Now amount for second year, that is P cross 1 plus R divided by 100 power n. Similar formula, that is denoted by A2. So principal amount we have given is 10,000. 1 plus 8 divided by 100, rate of interest is 8. Then this is second year. So it comes out to be 10,000 multiplied by 100 plus 8 divided by 100 power 2, it comes out to be 10,000 multiplied by 108 divided by 100 the power 2, because it is for second year. So on calculating, A2 comes out to be 11,664. So similarly amount for third year, A3, that comes out to P cross 1 plus R divided by 100 power n by inserting values 10,000 cross 1 plus 8 divided by 100 the power 3. So it comes out to be 10,000 multiplied by 108 power 100 the power 3. On calculating, it comes out to be 12,597.12 rupees. So now we will calculate the common difference. Common difference D1, A2 minus A1. A2, since we have given 11,664 minus first term, the answer 10,800, it comes out to be 864. Then common difference of third and second term. A3 minus A2, that is 12,597.12 minus 11,664, that comes out to be 933.12. Since the common difference is not common, so it is this series is not in AP arithmetic progression. So this is the solution of all the parts of the first question. Now the second question, write first four terms of the AP arithmetic progression when the first term A and the common difference D are given. We have to calculate the first four terms. In this case, first part of the question is first term is 10 and common difference is also 10. For this we use the formula, that is, we know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d, n number of terms. So by inserting the values, a1 comes out to be a1 given, we have to calculate a2. So a1 is 10 plus n 2 second term minus 1 multiplied by common difference 10. It comes out to 10 plus 2 minus 1 1 multiplied by 10. It comes out to be 20. So a2 comes out to be 20. Now a3, by putting the value of a2 is 10 plus n 3 minus 1 multiplied by 10. It comes out to 10 plus 2 multiplied by 10, that comes out to be 10 plus 20, that is equal to 30. Then a4 is 10 plus fourth term 4 minus 1 multiplied by 10. It comes out to 10 plus 3 multiplied by 10. It comes out to 10 plus 30. That comes out to be 40. So first four terms are, first term is 10, second is 20, third is 30, fourth is 40. So first four terms of the AP are 10, 20, 30, 40. This is the first part of the question. Now the second part of the question, that is first term A, that is minus 2, then common difference D is equal to 0. So as we know that formula for calculating AP, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. By inserting the value a given minus 2 plus n second term, that is minus 1 multiplied by common difference 0. So it will comes out to be minus 2 plus 0 minus 2. Then this is the value of a2. Then a3 comes out to be minus 2 plus 3 minus 1 multiplied by 0, because common difference d given is 0. So b comes with minus 2 plus 2 multiplied by 0. It also comes out to be minus 2. So similarly a4 also minus 2 plus 4 minus 1 multiplied by 0. It comes to be minus 2 plus 3 multiplied by 0. It comes out to be minus 2. So the first four terms of AP comes out to be minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So this is the answer of the second part of the question. Now the third part, that is first term A is given 4 and common difference D is given minus 3. So as we know, the formula is an equal to a plus n minus 1 d. By putting the value to calculate a2, we have to insert a1 4 plus 2 minus 1. Second term we have to calculate, common difference is minus 3. So it will comes out to be 4 plus 1 multiplied by minus 3. That comes out to be 4 minus 3 comes out to be 1. Now a3. For a3 we have to, a is equal to 4 plus 3 minus 1 multiplied by common difference minus 3. So it will comes out to be 4 plus 2 multiplied by minus 3. That comes out to be 4 2 minus 6. It comes out to be minus 2. Then a4 comes out to be 4 plus 4 minus 1 multiplied by minus 3. It comes out to be 4 plus 3 multiplied by minus 3. That comes out to be 4 minus 9. That comes out to be minus 5. So these are the first four terms. The first four terms of AP comes out to be 4 1 minus 2 and minus 5. Now the fourth part of the question is, first term we have given a is equal to minus 1 and common difference d is equal to half. So formula is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. By inserting the value we get a2 as minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 multiplied by half. We will get minus 1 plus 1 multiplied by half. It comes out to be minus 1 plus half. That comes out to be minus 2 plus 1 divided by 2. It comes out to be minus half. So a3 now is minus 1 plus 3 minus 1 multiplied by half. It comes out to be minus 1 plus 2 multiplied by half. That comes out to be minus 1 plus 2. Cancel 2 with 2. It comes out to be 1. 1 minus 1 is, that comes out to be 0. Then a4 is minus 1 plus 4 minus 1 multiplied by half. That is minus 1 plus 3 multiplied by half. That comes out to be minus 1 plus 3 by 2. It comes out to be minus 2 plus 3 divided by 2. It comes out to be 1 by 2. So these are the first four terms of AP are minus 1, minus half, 0 and half. These are the four terms, first four terms of AP. Now the last question of second question, that is A, that is minus 1.25 and D, common difference, that is 0.25. So the formula calculating the terms of arithmetic progression AP is an plus a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. So we calculate a2, we will use a1 minus 1.25 plus 2 minus 1 multiplied by 0.25. It comes out to be minus 1.25 plus 1 multiplied by 0.25. That comes out to be minus 1. So this is the here is common difference not 0.25 minus 0.25. So multiplied by minus 0.25. So it will also comes to be minus 0.25. So the answer will comes out to be minus 1.50. So common difference D is in minus. So the now third term A3 is equal to minus 1.25 plus 3 minus 1 multiplied by minus 0.25 minus 1.25 plus 2 multiplied by minus 0.25. It comes out to be minus 1.25 minus 2 multiplied by 0.25. It comes out to be minus 0.5. It comes out to be minus 1.75. Then A4 fourth term, that is minus 1.25 plus 4 minus 1 multiplied by minus 0.25 is equal to minus 1.25 plus 3 multiplied by minus 0.25. It comes out to be minus 1.25. 3 multiplied by 0.25 comes out to be 0.75 minus 0.75. So answer will come out to be minus 2. So first 4 terms of AP of this part of the question comes out to be minus 1.25, minus 1.50, minus 1.75 and minus 2. So this is the answer of the second question of the exercise 5.1.